Do you think you are lazy? I am not too sure that you are. You're sitting there doing nothing. You know you've got a lot to do. You need to finish that project, you need to finish that presentation, you need to hit the gym, you need to go to the dentist, you need to do all this, but you're just sitting there on that couch and your inner critic is screaming, "You bloody lazy" at you. Most often, that inner critic is wrong. And there are two reasons why you are sitting there doing nothing. One is you could be procrastinating, and the second is you have burnout. In this video, we're going to see what is actually holding you back from doing all the things you know you're supposed to, and then how to fix it if it is procrastination, and how to fix it if it is burnout. I'm Bawa, and I help people just like you excel in life through the secrets of sleep, meditation, holistic success, spirituality. Are you procrastinating or are you in burnout? Because it looks the same from outside. You are sitting on that couch knowing you need to do a lot of things. You need to get out there and get things to happen. But you are just sitting there doing nothing. Here is a simple test. If I told you, I will give you $1 million right now to get up and finish that one simple task that you need to do, what would your reaction to that be? You could have two reactions. One is you would get suddenly interested. There would be a spark, says $1 million. All right, then let me get up and get it done. If that is the case, you are sitting there procrastinating. But if even the thought of $1 million coming to you makes you sigh and say, "No, I can't do it. I'm just too tired. There is weariness in my bones. Even $1 million will not make me want to get up and take that walk that I know I should be taking." Then you are in burnout. So if it is procrastination, it is typically because of a fear. You are scared of either failing or succeeding or both, or it is your need for perfectionism that is holding you back. And the way to beat procrastination is super simple. You do just one thing, one small thing, so that the fear doesn't come. You need to go to the gym. I'm not saying you go to the gym, but you can wear your shoes, can't you? Get up and wear your shoes. That's all. Because that one act will not trigger the fear, not trigger your need for being perfect, and will start the flow towards the next and the next and the next and the next. If it's procrastination, you simply have to take one step and the path will appear. Get up and do one small thing towards whatever it is that you want to achieve. Even just going out in the sun can trigger various hormonal cocktails in your system to make you want to do more. So procrastination is the easy one. If it's just fear, and I'm saying just fear very lightly over here, I can understand that fear as an emotional block can be overwhelming. But the trick then is to do small steps so that you don't trigger the fear at all. And suddenly the thing that you wanted to get done gets done. Little drops of water, little grains of sand make the mighty ocean and the gentle land. Now, if it is burnout and you try to push yourself and do something even though your body, your mind, your entire system is screaming weariness, then you are being violent to yourself. I don't want you to do that. I want you to relax. I want you to take the time out to refill yourself. And your mind is going to say, "Oh, this is a waste of time. We've got so much to do." But you're not doing anything. So might as well re-energize. This is the time for meditation. This is the time to sit on an Art of Living advanced course. This is the time to give yourself that break that you're simply not giving. Your body, your mind, your system needs a little bit of time to heal. Respect that. Don't try to push through this, you will only hurt yourself and you will totally damage whatever it is that you're trying to accomplish. Listen to your body knows. And when it is time to rest, it is time to rest. And there is no two ways about it. Do something that makes you feel wonderful about yourself, knowing fully well that very soon you will be back there in action. You know, your body and mind, they are like a beautiful garden. And a garden has seasons. There is time for fruits, and then there is time for fall when the leaves fall and the trees conserve all their energy to go through the winter. Maybe right now you are in your winter and you need to conserve that energy so that in spring new leaves can come and new flowers and fruits can blossom. I hope this video helped you. I would love to know where you are in your life. Are you procrastinating or are you burnt out? And what are you going to do about it? Please let me know in the comments. In fact, if there are enough people who have commented about this, I will make one more video talking about other solutions that people have given, how they combat their procrastination or how they rest and recover when they are feeling burnt out. All the very best.